Today we will discuss about the type of movement in plants. Plant shows two different type of movements mainly. First is called nestic movement and the second is called tropic movement. Now we will know about nestic movement. See here, the definition of nestic movement is given. Nestic movement, the non-directional movement is called nestic movement. That movements are independent of growth and response immediately to stimulus. This nestic movement is categorized into two categories. First is called seismonesty or thigmonesty. See here, seismonesty and thigmonesty. And the second category is nyctinesty or sleeping movement. See here, nyctinesty or sleeping movement. So there are two categories are present in nestic movement. If we discuss about seismonesty, then see here, the folding up and drooping of leaves due to touch stimulus is called thigmonesty or seismonesty. This is a non-directional nestic movement to which we call seismonesty. And the second type of nestic movement is called sleeping movement. The movement which occur in position of flower and leaves are called nyctinesty or sleeping movement. Now next movement is tropic movement. This is a directional movement in a plant, and in this type of movement growth is necessary, so we can say that movements are dependent of growth and responds slowly to stimulus in a particular direction. Tropic movement can be either towards the stimulus or away from the stimulus. If response occur towards the stimulus, then that type of tropic movement is called positive movement. See here, positive movement. If response occur towards the stimulus, and if response occur away from the stimulus, see here, away from the stimulus, then that type of tropic movement is called negative movement. Negative movement. Now we will discuss about types of tropic movements. There are many types of tropic movements according to their stimulus. First type of tropic movement is called phototropism. If any response occur, or we can say that in other words, the directional movement of plant in response to light is called phototropism. The stem of plant shows positive phototropism and root of plant shows negative phototropism. The next is geotropism. We can define it. The directional movement of plant in response to gravity is called geotropism. Here the roots of plant shows positive geotropism and the stem of a plant shows negative geotropism. The next type of tropic movement is hydrotropism. The response of plant towards or away from water is called hydrotropism. Here roots of plant shows positive hydrotropism and the stem shows negative Hydrotropism. The process of hydrotropism is stronger than geotropism. This should be noted. Next is chemotropism. The response of plant toward certain chemical is called chemotropism. It is reported that pollen tube grow towards ovule during fertilization. So here this shows positive chemotropism. The next is thigmotropism. See here, thigmotropism. The response of plant to contact or touch with any supporter is called thigmotropism. Example: tendril of pea plant circle around the supporter. So you have to write down these things which I have told you. In next video we will discuss about the next topic.